I have defined angle of elevation in part first. I am going to define angle of depression in part second. So from this figure, I want to make the clear angle of elevation and angle of depression. My dear students, see this. When a man is standing on this point C and looking the point B, line of sight, and this line of sight will make a line. Note, I have written this note. Angle is formed always with the horizontal line, and CA is the horizontal line, and angle 1 is formed with the line of sight. So therefore, angle 1 is the angle of elevation. When a man is standing at point B and he is looking, then the angle is formed is depression. And as I have said, the angle is always the line. B is standing at point B. Line is DB. So therefore angle 2 is the angle of depression. See, looking toward B, angle 1 is formed, angle of elevation. Looking toward C, angle of depression is formed, that is angle. But one thing I want to make it clear. This is 1 is the angle of elevation, 2 is the angle of depression, because DB parallel to CA and BC bisect them. Angle 1 is equal to 2 because alternate angle. This is the difference between angle of elevation and angle of depression. It means there is no elevation and angle of depression. Both are equal. Now I am going to take question. Now as I have said, the statements are very lengthy. So therefore it is impossible down the statement on the board. I am going to read the statement. First question. 1 meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. My dear students, this is a question. In this question, you will see the angle of elevation depression will be formed. Now this is the building. Now I am taking another pen. This is the and this is the tower. Tower is C and D. A man is sitting on the B. The question is this: top of the cable tower and depression is 60 degree and angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. This power and height of the building is 7 meter given. Now the question is, understand, AB is a building whose height is 7 meter. CD is a tower. We have to find out. Now, a man is sitting on the B point and he is looking top of the tower and as well as point C also. Now, when he is D, angle 60 is formed. This is the angle of elevation and B equal to x, and this is also equal to x. Now when B is looking towards C is formed. Here C, this is the angle of elevation and this is the angle of but angle of elevation and angle of depressions are same. So therefore this is also for figure of the given statement. My dear students, to find out the height of the CD. Now AB is equal to this point, you say E. CE. It means this is also 7 meter. If we have to find out the height of DEH. Now in triangle BED, BE H upon, this is the perpendicular and this is the base, H upon H, H upon X is equal to 1060 root 3. H root 3x. Take, now I am taking this triangle, in triangle, take this triangle ABC in which 7 by x, this is perpendicular, this is base, 1045. So because 7 by x is equal to 1, value of 1045 is 1 and this is the second value, second, and this is first. And h is equal to root 3 x. What is x? 7. And h is equal to 7 root 3. This is the h. Of a tower is, no, sorry, height of the tower. Height of the tower. Height of the tower is CE plus ED. CE plus ED. CE plus ED. CE 7 plus ED H, that is root 3 root 7 root 3 7 root 3. Now this is 7 common, 1 plus root 3. 7. 1 plus root 3, 1.732. Here, C, CD. CD is equal to 7 into 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 2. And by multiplying CD, 7 to is at 21, 22, 2, 7, 7 is 9, 51, 5, 7. This is the value. This is the answer. By adding first and second, you will get the height of the tower. Next, I am taking next question. As observed from the meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 ships exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse. Find the distance between two ships. This is the picture. This is the lighthouse. 75 meter. And from B point, see one ship at point C and other ship at point D. The angle of depression will be, because the so angle of depression angle, this is second angle, and angles are 45 and 30. This is 40. This man, when sees two ships, C and D, is C angle is 45 when he sees degree. Both are angle of depression, but you have read that angle of elevation are same. So this is 45 degree and here this is 30 degree. I'm going to find out the difference between C and D. One shape is here. We have to find out the difference. Suppose this whole length is x and suppose this length is y. Now take this in triangle BCA or ABC. A 75 upon y is equal to 1045. Result, ये y की value of y. Triangle in triangle ABD. Here 75 upon the whole length is x is equal to 10 30. 75 upon x is equal to 1 by root 3. By cross multiplication, x is equal to 5 root x. This is the second value. Now what is the whole length is x. So y is this. And we have to find out the difference between C and D. So we have to subtract. Now x minus y. What is the value of x? 75 root x. X minus y is equal to 70 x here by cross multiply x is equal to root 3i. Root 75 root 3 by mistake is equal to 75 common root 3 minus 1. 75 into 2 minus 1. 75 into 0.73. Here I am writing here x minus y is equal to 75. If you will multiply this, you will get approximate 55. You have to make this calculation. You will see approximately. I am not multiply, and I think this value will be. Now x minus y. What is x minus y? So this is the question. Find out the difference between two shifts. So x minus. This is the answer of the question. So I have taken two questions. Angle of depression. So I think the concept is clear to you. And in the last, please subscribe the channel. I shall be very thankful to you.